Enhancing Potato Farming Through Mechanization in India, a review. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Potato is an important vegetable crop in India. This crop plays a vital role in the food security of both India and South Asia. The mechanization of potato crops was started in the year 1978 by Central Potato Research Institute, Jalandhar, Punjab by fabricating a tractor-operated potato planter and potato digger. This review highlights a few details of the advancement in the mechanization of potato farming. This review reveals that Uttar Pradesh is the leading potato-producing state in India, followed by West Bengal. The maximum yield per hectare for potato crops has been found in Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Raised bed and ridge planting is a common method of sowing potatoes in India. Minimum tillage systems give better yields for potato crops due to improved physical, hydrophysical and biological properties of soil. Semi-automatic and automatic potato planters machinery is very popular in India for sowing. The field capacity of a tractor-drawn two-row automatic planter is about 0.4 to 0.5 h, while working at 4 to 5 km per hour. Both semi-automatic planters and automatic planters are also available with fertilizer application systems. Additionally, intercropping systems, such as those involving potatoes and sugarcane, are popular in Uttar Pradesh and northern India. Advances in mechanization have brought potato production to the point where little manual labor is really necessary. Potato production in India has been continuously increasing from year 2013 to 2019. Similarly, potato consumption was also continuously increasing from the year 1994 to 2013. This resulted in improved farm machinery and processing equipment in potato farming. This paper highlights a few details of the advancement in the mechanization of potato farming. Introduction. Potato is one of the world's most important food crops, ranking third after wheat and rice. It provides a major source of energy and nutrition to millions of people globally. Countries like China and India grow almost one-third of the world's potatoes. In India, states such as Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh are major producers. Despite being a leading producer, India struggles to make a strong mark in global potato exports. One major reason is the lack of modern machinery in farming activities like soil preparation, planting, harvesting, and post-harvest handling. To improve potato production and reduce manual labor, agricultural machinery has become essential. Mechanization in potato farming began in India in 1978 and has helped improve productivity by replacing traditional tools and labor with efficient machines. Using machines not only speeds up the farming process but also ensures better quality and higher yields. As a result, mechanization is seen as a key step in modernizing agriculture. This study aims to highlight how using machines in potato farming can improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and potentially boost India's presence in the global market. Conclusion. Advances in mechanization have brought potato production to the point where little manual labor is really necessary. The most important single consideration in the design, selection, and management of potato machinery is that the damage to tubers is prevented. All these machines are slowly being adopted by farmers. Most of the machines are helpful in land preparation, timely planting, in-row cultivation, spraying, harvesting, grading, and seed treatment. Thank you for for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.